What if I told you manifestation is not a slow process, but perhaps your method is? We want to see results fast in our lives. We gather information, we apply tools and techniques. Yet, we are constantly fearful and worried whether or not it's going to happen for us. Despite putting our best efforts, we are not able to come out of that doubting mode. Manifestation will be successful when you move from pressure to faith, when you move from doubt to self belief. And how do you go from force to faith? Because despite all your efforts, things on the outside are going to trouble you. For example, you have bills to pay, you have a relationship that is bothering you, you have health issues and concerns to work on. How can then we manifest with more power? How can we speed up the manifestation process? Let's discuss all of this in today's video. First of all, manifestation is all about putting your thoughts and feelings out into the universe. And then the universe does its bit. That means your subconscious mind is powerful enough to connect you to the highest energy within you, which is your divine self. Whatever you want, the fact that you want it, the fact that there is a desire within you, the law says it must happen. There is no reason why it cannot happen. But the only thing that stops it is we believing I am trying to create it. We are not creating anything. We are only allowing things that already exist to come into our lives. For example, when we are focusing on money, we are not looking at creating more money. Money already exists, but it can only come into my life if I align myself with the frequency and energy of money. Let's look at some common mistakes we are making and how we can correct them to go from just a beginners to a manifestator who's reached advanced levels. First of all, observe what are your feelings around your goals. You may want money, you may want relationship success, you may want to attract a new person, or you're working on health and healing. How do you feel about your goal? Take a pen and paper, write down what are those dominant thoughts and feelings coming up within you as you are focusing on your goal. For example, you're affirming that this goal is already mine, I deserve to have this happiness. As you're saying this, what kind of resistance is going on within you? That is what you need to check. As you start affirming for your goal, as you start thinking of it, are there some conflicting thoughts like, oh, this has never happened yet, I don't deserve this? Don't ignore these. We think manifestation is all about positivity, which means I have to keep focusing, keep affirming, keep visualizing. What about the resistances? Unless and until you don't work on removing these resistances or these mental blockages, you will stay at the beginner's level. That means you have a goal, you have clarity about what you want, but you are not releasing these mental patterns which are limiting your progress. Here's what you need to do. List down everything that comes to your mind with respect to your goal first. It could be 5 thoughts, 10 thoughts, 15 thoughts. Allow them to come one by one. Also observe what thoughts come to your mind in the day. For example, before you sleep at night, what are you thinking? What are you feeling like? Put that down in your list the next day when you wake up. Similarly, when you wake up in the morning, what are you feeling like? Do you feel life is worthwhile? Do you feel you are lucky? You see, an advanced manifestator is always looking at cleaning up his or her energy, because this purification of energy will release resistances. So once all your statements are down on paper, all your thoughts are on paper, now look at building a strong affirmation list around these very beliefs. That means reverse every negative statement like I am not lucky, no one loves me, into a positive reverse. I am very lucky, universe supports me, people love and respect me. Everything comes to me easily. Now that this new positive list is ready, every time that you feel negative in the day, you get a negative thought, immediately come back to this list. Keep this list ready with you in your pocket. Make multiple copies. One could be on your desk, one could be inside a drawer, one could be near your bedside. It's all about reminding yourself, manifestation is only as good as my thoughts and feelings. So do this exercise multiple times in the day. Do it effortlessly. It doesn't have to take much effort from me. I'm just going to be recalling these statements, saying them to myself, and slowly feeling the difference in my energy as I'm connecting with these thoughts and feelings. So Instead of simply just hurrying up, repeating these statements, giving yourself these statements back to back, keep taking pauses in between. Stop, pause, take a few deep breaths, and then repeat these statements one by one. Again, in between, take a few deep breaths and start repeating them again. Doing this every day, multiple times a day, is a great way to consciously remind yourself that there are mental blockages and resistances that are coming in the way. Unless I don't change how I feel, I'm not going to change my results. The second thing, you see, advanced manifestation or manifestation from more power is all about building an identity around your goal, building an identity for yourself, your own self-image. You see, so many of us don't have strong identities. We are still coming from, oh, no, I don't think I am capable of this. You see, your thoughts about yourself, your judgments for yourself, they come in the way. That means when I say, I deserve these wonderful things, there is no power. Why? Because internally, I'm not very motivated. I'm judging myself constantly. I don't think I'm good enough. How do you tackle and deal with this problem? I'll give you an example. There was a client of mine who often felt unlucky. Whatever he would do, he would always feel, I'll never win this. I'll never get it. He's playing housey with his family. He'll be like, I'm never the one to win. He's going out with his friends and he'll be the one to say, oh, I never got any gift. Somehow they never thought of me. He's always feeling unlucky. He's carrying this feeling with him wherever he goes. This is what we did. Every night before he went to sleep, I asked him to repeat the word lucky. Just lucky. We wanted to build a new identity of him being lucky. That means he's lucky also with his goals. Once the subconscious mind accepts this identity, this new reality, it will start to bring things into our life automatically. Now, here's what happened. Every night before he slept, for 5 to 10 minutes, he would just very calmly repeat, lucky, lucky, lucky. Similarly, you can perhaps use a word called abundance, abundance, abundance. Or you can use a word called peace, peace, peace. If you feel that success never comes to you, if you feel that you've never got your due or your share, you can repeat the word success. What are we doing? We are building our identity around the concept of success. You see, advanced manifestation is all about building a strong identity about a value, a virtue, or a concept that you want to invite into your life. What do you want to invite? Abundance, wealth, good luck, good fortune, peace, love. Just pick up that one virtue or value and build an identity around it. If you're lacking love all your life, you've never got love from the people in your family, you've always been unsuccessful in relationships, perhaps you could repeat the word love. As the energy of love enters your subconscious mind, you start vibrating with love. You will notice how every area of your life starts to improve. You will attract loving people. You will attract opportunities where you're supported. You will feel loved by the universe. So this particular practice is what differentiates beginners and advanced manifestators. I hope after watching this video, you find out what concept you want to build your reality around. You want to build your identity around. And start doing this every night before you sleep for 5 to 10 minutes. Just connect with that identity. That is going to be your new self-image and identity, which you will start to engage, connect, and download into your subconscious mind. The third thing is, every time we are after a goal, we are pursuing it, there is a tendency to check, where have I reached? Is this going to happen or not? Am I going to be able to ever realize this dream? You see, we are constantly monitoring the results. What we should be doing is monitoring our actions. Every day, before you sleep at night, you should look back at your day. Did I take enough action? Was that action good enough? Did I take the action sincerely? Did I come from clarity? Did I come from a good vibration? You're supposed to check these things. But if you're checking, where is the result? I didn't get anything today. Today, nothing came to me. Problem is, this constant checking and monitoring of results is going to keep you stuck into a vibration of lack. That means you're sending a message, oh, I don't have this yet. This has not come to me yet. I'm not sure if this is going to come to me. Doubts will come. Then negativity will come. Then you are in that cycle of uncertainty. I don't know if this is going to happen. Then you will tell yourself, should I even take action? Am I on the right track? Should I really spend more time after this goal? Should I just give up? These thoughts come to those who are constantly checking results, constantly expecting results on a daily basis. Expect the best. Affirm. Good things happen to me. The universe is always bringing me the good that I desire and deserve. But don't be too fixated with when it must come to you. You must trust divine timing. Manifestation fails not because there is no desire or goal. It fails because of too much attachment to your desire, outcome and goal. Detach. In the Gita, also Lord Krishna emphasizes the importance of detachment. He also agrees to Arjun when he says, it's very difficult to conquer the mind. Lord Krishna replies saying, yes, it is difficult, but with practice, with effort, with sincerity and detachment, you can overcome this problem. So, do not give up on yourself or your goal. However, do give your problems, your feelings, and your anxiety to the universe by affirming, I trust divine timing. Good things happen to me at the right time. I always find myself protected, guided, and guarded. You see, words and statements like this in times of doubt create assurance within you. You will start to trust the divine energy and the universal energy within you. And even when you feel like giving up, when you tell yourself, I'm being guided, I'm being guarded, everything happens at the perfect time, your subconscious mind is getting trained to trust. It is so used to doubting. If you give it enough number of times the energy of trust, it will start trusting. Finally, a big problem which we find in people who are trying to manifest but somehow are not getting results is too much of fluctuation in practices. One new practice every day. They hear this is going to work for you fast. In 12 hours, they will start doing it. Then they are told 24 hours, you'll get the result, they do it. So, in going for quick fixes and instant manifestation, they are missing out on the essence of the process. You're supposed to enjoy what you're doing. You're supposed to also be aware of what you're doing. Awareness differentiates manifestators who are successful from those who are not. Yes, even science tells us mechanical practice is effective. That means even when I don't understand something, I don't feel it, I keep saying, I'm lucky, I'm lucky, I'm lucky, I will bring good luck to myself. However, if you also bring awareness into this practice, that my mind is powerful enough, I can have what I want, I'm here to succeed, I am divine and I am capable of anything. When this awareness comes into your practice, when you understand the science behind your ritual, it becomes spiritual. Then you will not give up. As Lord Krishna tells Arjun in the Gita, Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasa, jnana dhyanam vishishyate. Greater than mechanical practice is awareness, knowledge. Greater than that also is meditation, self-reflection. And greatest of all is surrendering the fruits of your actions to God. And as I apply this very rule in my life, that I have to do my best, rest I have to leave on God, pressure will not come. I will not come from anxiety and stress. Even though I have a big goal and today there is no sign, I will still trust. So the most important thing if you want to speed up your manifestation process is trust even when there are no signs. You have to build that faith. You have to remind yourself, my job is to put in the effort, go after my goal with faith that everything will happen at the right time. And as I do that, even if my negative past karmas come into play, even if I have to face my destiny, which is filled with struggles and disappointments, yet I will be able to keep my mind stable. And a stable mind is a peaceful mind. A peaceful mind is a strong mind that is capable of big manifestations. Finally, I would just like to say, a person who succeeds always has one important quality. Never gives up. never gives up. So you too never give up on yourself. This is the quality of a strong, positive manifestator. Even if problems are there, remind yourself, I will get through it. Why? Because everything is energy, and energy can neither be created nor destroyed. And the only thing constant about energy is it is constantly changing. So there's no reason for you to give up on your goal. Tough times won't last, but your toughness within you will break the greatest of obstacles, will release those greatest of problems from your life. I wish you all the very best in your manifestation journey. Do let me know which of these mistakes are you making and which practices are actually resonating with you. Which are those things that you will start applying immediately in your life? Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.